और फिर वो आगे चले गए। Prospero called Ariel to him. Well, my great spirit, what's news of my brother and the king of Naples? He asked him. Ariel laughed. I left them almost out of their sense. He said they were half dead with hunger and weariness. I reminded them to their severe treatment of you and told them that they were being punished for it. If you should have seen their faces, they were filled with remorse and at their wedding. They were so miserable that I had to pity them. So as the idiot said कि एरियल ने कहा कि आपके जो भाई और किंग ऑफ नेपल्स हैं उन लोगों की सिचुएशन was very very different and they are very afraid and they feel very sorry for you and after hearing these statements the king was very very happy and if you party them earlier, then I, as a human being like themselves, ought to party them all the more. Bring them here at once, my pretty Ariel. So कह सकते हैं कि एरियल ने कहा कि I will party on them. मुझे भी उनके साथ बुरा करने को बुरा लग रहा है और उसने कहा फिर किसी तरीके से प्रॉस्पेरो ने कहा कि अगर तुम्हें बुरा लग रहा है तो मुझे भी बुरा लग रहा है और उन लोगों को यहाँ पर लेके आओ एंड जस्ट Ariel flew off obediently with wild music. Ariel drew the repentant men to Prospero cave. With them came kind Gonzalo, who 12 years before had helped Prospero in the distress. So at first, three men did not recognize Prospero in his magician robe and white beard. But when Prospero thanked Gonzalo for saving his life, then his daughter, they knew who he was. Antonio instantly begged Prospero's forgiveness, so did the king Naples. Prospero readily forgave them. They promised to give him back his dukedom. So after knowing that Ariel वहाँ से वो चला गया with wild music, Ariel drew the repentant men to Prospero's cave. With them came kind Gonzalo, who 12 years before saved and helped the Prospero in his distress. At first, the three men did not recognize Prospero in his magician robe, and a white beard. But when Prospero thanked Gonzalo for saving his life and that of his daughter, they knew that he was. Antonio instantly feels sorry, and so did the Naples of the king of Naples. And Prospero forgave them, and they promised to give him back this dukedom. To the king of the Naples, Prospero said, "I have a gift for you too." So saying, he opened a door and showed him Ferdinand, who was playing chess with Miranda. Great was the joy of father, son to find each other alive and well. "Let's all forgive and forget," said Prospero. "Our troubles are all over now." Prospero then assured his guests that their ship and all crew were safe. They were going all leave to for Naples for next morning before he left the island. So Prospero buried his books of magic deep in the earth and his magic wand as well. He would not need to use his magic power hereafter. Why should he? He had obtained all that he wished for. He had brought his brother, king of Naples, to the receptance. He had received his dukedom back. Above all, Miranda was going to marry Ferdinand, the king of Naples, hired the man she loved. Prospero now turned to Ariel and gave him freedom. "My quaint Ariel," he said sadly, "I shall miss you very much, but go, you are free now." Ariel was filled with delight. He flew away singing the pretty song, "Where the bee sucks, there suck I, in a cowlet bell lie, there the kite couch, when owls fly, on the bat's back I do fly, after summer merrily, shall I live now, under the blossom that hangs on the boughs." So in this whole chapter, we have discussed कि जब एंटोनियो और किंग ऑफ नेपल्स उस जगह पे आते हैं विद द एरियन एंड गॉन्जलो के उनके साथ आता है, so they did not recognize recognize the Prospero at first, but after the Prospero thanking the Gonzalo for saving his life and his daughter too, they recognized him और उन्होंने क्या किया कि उससे सॉरी मांगा और कह सकते हैं और जो प्रॉस्पेरो ने उन सबको माफ़ भी किया और एक गेम ऑफ नेपर्स के लिए उसने कहा कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए एक गिफ्ट भी रखा है एंड द गिफ्ट वॉज व्हेन वो एक दरवाज़ा खुलता है उसमें फर्डिनेंड और मिरांडा गेम खेल रहे होते हैं विद ईच अदर चेस खेल रहे होते हैं और ऐसा देखते ही किंग ऑफ नेपर्स बहुत खुश हो जाता है कि उसका बेटा भी जिंदा है और वो भी जिंदा है और अश्योरिटी देते हुए प्रॉस्पेरो कहता है कि तुम्हारी कास्ट एंड क्रू को जो बोट में है उन्हें कुछ भी नहीं होगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट देम एंड बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी और मैंने सबको माफ़ किया एंड वी शुड बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी विद ईच अदर। तो उसका ड्यूडम उससे वापस मिल जाता है और आइलैंड को छोड़ते हुए वो अपने मैजिक के बुक को अर्थ के बहुत अंदर क्रस्ट में डिग कर देता है, खोद के डाल देता है और वो अपने जादू को भी भूल जाता है क्योंकि वो अब जादू नहीं चाहता था क्योंकि अब जब उसे सब कुछ मिल चुका था, उसका ड्यूकडम उसे वापस मिल गया था, उसके भाई उसको वापस मिल गए थे एज अ फैमिली। उसे किंग ऑफ नेपर्स उनकी बेटी वहाँ की क्वीन होने वाली थी, वो फर्डिनेंड वहाँ का राजा ऑलमोस्ट ही whatever he wanted he had although so that's why he just did that and after this he just make the free to the Ariel बहुत ही खुशी के साथ फ्री हो गया and the Prospero said that I am sorry but I feel you I miss you very very much and after saying that Ariel वहाँ से चला जाता है उड़ते हुए और बहुत ही खुशी के साथ वो म्यूजिक्स गाता है, लाइन्स गाता है जिसमें वो कहता है कि Where the bee sings, there such I in a cowslip bell I lie. There I couch when out to fly, and the back I will fly. After summer merrily, shall I live now under the blossom that hang on the bough. वो कहता है कि जिस जगह पे मधुमक्खियाँ उड़ती हैं, जिस जगह पे मधुमक्खियाँ रस चूसती हैं, उसी जगह पर मैं जाऊँगा और मैं भी वैसा करूँगा। इन काउस्लिप आई वो क्या करेगा, काउस्लिप के बेल से आराम से लेटेगा। वहाँ पे काउच होगा जहाँ पे ऑल्स फ्लाई करेंगे और द बैट्स बैक आई डू फ्लाई। तो मैं भी क्या करूँगा, बैट्स के बैक साइड पे उनके साथ फ्लाई करूँगा एंड आफ्टर समर जब ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं चलेगी तो मैं वहाँ रहूँगा एंड अंडर द ब्लॉसम दैट हैंग्स ऑन द ग्राउंड। तो कह सकते हैं वो में जहाँ पे फूल लगेंगे मैं भी उनके नीचे रहा करूँगा। So this is the basic chapter in which we have read the moral of the chapter is to forgive each and everyone who has ever done very bad with you or if they have done nothing to you। आपको हमेशा उनके लिए अच्छा ही सोचना चाहिए और कह सकते हैं कि हमेशा ही ग्रेटफुल रहना चाहिए कि अगर आपके साथ कुछ भी गलत हुआ हो, अगर आपके पास पोटेंशियल है, पावर है कि आप उन चीज़ों को बहुत ही सॉफ्टली और काइंडली सही कर सकते हो, तो पूरी करने की पूरी कोशिश करनी चाहिए। तो दिस इज द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी एंड द प्रॉस्पेरो, फर्डिनेंड किंग ऑफ नेपल्स, मिरांडा, एरियल and Antonio, these were the some characters of this whole chapter and we will discuss it further in the next video. So thank you class and we will discuss the question answer of this chapter in the PDF form and it will send you by the school. So we will discuss the next chapter in the next video. Thank you class.